Hello there, this video, it's a very quick one and it's about giving away a dash cam. Yes, you heard it, I'm going to give away a dash cam to someone who lives in the UK. This is the dash cam. It's the mirror dash cam that I done a video upload about a week ago on. So that's the video at the top there if you want to know what it's about. It's quite a nice little budget dash cam. I'll put everything back in the box for you. I used it for about 4 days and it was quite easy to use. The only thing that it doesn't come with is a micro SD card, which you can pick them up pretty cheaply if you haven't already got one. All you need to do, like I say, you need to be in the UK to enter, and you need to subscribe to my channel. So if you're not subscribed, you'll have to subscribe. And the other thing is, like a video. So it could be this video, it could be any of my driving videos, any of them. Once you've done that, put a comment below saying you've liked and subscribed, and then you're entered. And a week from now, I'll close the competition, and what I'll do then is I'll pick out a random one winner, and I'll put in the description below who the winner is, and that winner can contact me. Okay, good luck entering, and I'll look forward to seeing who's liked and subscribed. Take care.